Installation of integrated dishwasher. Stick the installation guide on the decoration wooden board, and then use electrical drill to drill holes accordingly. Install hooks onto the decoration wooden board. The decoration wooden hook aligned corresponding holes on the outer door. Push it downward closely to dishwasher. Then open the door. Dismantle 4 short screws and change 4 long screws to fix together. Check whether the outer door is stopped at any position. If not, adjust the left and right screws of the base till it can be stopped at any position. Fix the hooks on the top of side panels. Put the inlet and drain hose and power wire through the hole of cabinet. Stick the anti-steam sticker at the top of the cabinet. Push the dishwasher into the cabinet. Check and adjust the foot to make the top of dishwasher fit to the top side of cabinet. Open the door. On the top side of the machine, respectively using 2 screws to fasten the machine and cabinet. Connect drain pipe, inlet hose, and power supply to the dishwasher. If it's not possible to install the dishwasher from the top side, choose the side installation like this. There's 1 installation hole at each side, the left and right panels. Fasten the dishwasher into the cabinet by using 1 screw on each side.